Good morning. In the last couple of days, we presented a video where we told you what is right to private defense. Right to private defense, it will scroll again now, allows you the right, the freedom to defend your own body, your own property, and also that of somebody else. In India, it is increasingly becoming commonplace for a bunch of goons to round you up and give you a sound thrashing for any reason that suits them at that moment. You're sitting with your girlfriend, 8 guys surround you and tell you you're doing something wrong in the name of culture, beat you up. Your car happens to brush somebody else, before you know, the entire village descends upon you and beats you into a pulp. 10 people, 15 people ganging up and beating up somebody who is alone has become a de rigueur fact in modern day living in India. And now there is hope, thanks to Justice S.B. Shukre, an outstanding judgment from Aurangabad bench of Bombay High Court. Justice Shukre has allowed an advocate to own a gun after he was refused that permission by the district magistrate twice. And the usual reason that is given for refusing you to have a firearm license is that you don't face a particular threat, so you don't need a gun. In this instance, the petitioner was a 31-year-old advocate. Great thanks to him for standing up to his rights and also for opening something which will become a source of private defense for everybody else in India. He applies for a gun. The police report says there is no particular threat that he faces, so he doesn't need a gun. So he goes to the district magistrate relies on the police report and refuses him a license. Aggrieved by this order, he approaches the High Court and Justice Shukre finds for him and tells in no uncertain terms that he has a right to apply for the license and he has a right to get it because it's a fundamental right that he has enshrined in the Constitution of India to protect his own body, and depending on his reputation, his own threat perception, he can apply for one. Within 30 days, the district magistrate has been asked to give him that license. Now, in United States, it's very common, and therefore these incidents also happen where somebody pulls out a gun and goes around on a shooting spree. This is very likely to happen in India if the gun license is given to the wrong guy who will flash it at the first instance or an opportunity. It must be given to somebody of sound mind, great reputation, mental balance, so on and so forth. And there are mechanisms to find whether one is or one is not fitting into that criteria. But this much I know, that things may change now if people are able to defend themselves against bodily threat that lies waiting and lurking in the corner. Go ahead and apply for this license. Go ahead and get yourself a gun if you feel you live in a locality where the threat perception is very high. Go and get it if you feel it is required that you need it to preserve the sanctity of your body or that of your mother or wife, and even if you want to protect your own property. There are instances of robberies happening. Ladies are getting assaulted, even killed because they don't have any way to defend themselves. A gun may change that. There are dacoities happening in different parts of India that may change if you have a firearm in your house. You're driving a vehicle, you meet with an unfortunate accident. It is just an accident. That is what is the meaning of the word accident. And now you're surrounded by 20 people from the locality who baying for your blood. A gun may probably hold them till help arrives. So, go ahead and take advantage of this law. You can own your own gun. Relevant provisions, Section 3, Section 4, Section 13, Section 14 of the Arms Act shall scroll down now, and for your own benefit, the right to private defense will also scroll down now. Thank you for watching me. This show is about making you powerful by knowing certain laws that will come to your aid when you need them. So subscribe. Bye-bye.